Hi, good evening. How are you all doing?
Good. I was reading one of what is his name? Mahantia.
Mahatria.
Yeah, Mahatia. So like I was reading one of his new books which has come up.
Okay.
Beautiful thing that he had to say.
What's the name of the book?
Just give me one.
What about the others?
Doing good, better.
Good. Physically completely fine now?
A lot better. There are some days when it's really some weakness, like just some weakness kind of a thing with body, but most of the day is better.
So that weakness bit, like how long has it been with COVID? I mean, how many days?
Actually, it was definitely there during the whole first 10 days of COVID.
Yeah, I have
Yeah,
seen this. Bolo Haldi.
okay. Uh, so it was there for the first 10 days. I think it is usually there with people during the initial days. Then it got fine. Now on like some random days, like once a week, randomly, like you just feel a bit, less strength.
Have you done the medical report or something?
No, not clear. I mean, I got my blood test done as well after I got COVID, so
Hmm.
that time everything looked fine.
Okay. Hmm.
But the infection was a bit high on the higher side, so maybe it has some of its things, bit of things still there, which will go over time.
Okay. Did you see my any of my video where I've given these switch words, new things that words that I've channeled?
Me, sorry, I lost your voice in middle due to some internet issues. Can you please repeat?
I said that did you see the energy circle to make the words that I channeled through a Shamlik journey, which I have spoken about in one of the morning calls?
I saw some of the morning calls.
Which which is titled Protect, Conceal, Nourish, Nurture, Heal. That one.
That one I am yet to see.
Okay. So if you
Protect
see that,
nurture.
yeah, protect, conceal, nourish, nurture. So if you see that, you can make an energy circle and place the name in the center of the person unwell, I mean yourself and anybody else. And then make concentric circles and write those words. Okay. So
Okay.
you can make an energy circle. I've described that in that call. So try making that. I've even asked Abhi to make a sample and give it to me. I have not yet got it from her. So once I get
No
it, I'll
problem. I'll do it.
okay.
Sure.
And yeah,
Thank you for asking.
continue
How are
doing
you?
Soul's Temple. I'm very good. All good. Yeah, so continue doing Soul's Temple, even like for the weakness, whatever you're feeling, because the, I mean, it's not, I don't want to scare you or anything, but it's like the current thing with COVID and the people who are infected, it is suddenly becoming worse from morning to evening or suddenly after 10th day or 12th
I
day,
know.
like that. So it won't be nice to neglect any symptom basically. Okay, just be aware and do
Yeah.
what's required to be done, even the medical bit of it. Okay. How is it, Harveen? Have you joined for the first time?
Yeah, hi Vanna, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, joined for the first time. I was guided by Babun Didi. You did healing for her. So
Okay.
I'm very close to her. So we've been connected. So I was supposed to join your class tomorrow, but I couldn't get the slot. So then she sent me this link and then I saw this video of Heal, Protect, Nurture. So
Actually,
that's
you
how
saw
I
that.
got. Yeah, I saw it yesterday, got connected. And then I'm a Sikh, so we get morning Hukamnama, which is like a something from Guru Granth Sahib,
Hmm.
a word. And the
Hmm.
only thing which it had was Bandana Har Bandana. So I could relate to you.
Oh,
So so that's how, yeah, so that's how
Yeah,
I
that
got
comes
connected.
in Aarti every day, which also happens at the same time, 6 o'clock, 6:30 every day. So there's this,
Right.
yeah, face called Bandana, Go Bandana.
Yeah, and as I read Bandana, and I was like, this is a message for her. So I asked her, is there any class or something? And she sent me the group link. She's like, she do at 6:30, 3, 6, whatever you feel like, just join in.
yeah, that's thank you. Like whenever I am very low and down, I hear the Ekomkar on a loop for the whole night.
I'll share one with you. It's so amazing. You understand it or not, but it's very nice. I sent to Babandi as well. Now it keeps playing in her house for the entire day. It's
Yeah,
beautiful. I wish I can share the link. I will drop it for you.
yeah, you can send it to me on my WhatsApp.
Of course,
You
I
can
will.
send. So the thing is that yeah, these things, right? The religious scriptures and the granths, whether it's a Guru Granth Sahib or a Bible or a Quran or a Bhagavad Gita or anything, they have a lot of power in their words and whatever they are trying to tell us. Whether, as
Yeah,
you said, whether you understand or not, but it still has the power.
exactly. Even I believe in every religion. For me, it's all one. It's just energy we grab in, and
Yes.
you won't believe the magic I'm experiencing since past 2 days. Whenever I see clouds, there is an Om in there. I don't know. It's such a beautiful magic happening around these days, and I'm just loving it. So you are that part of magic as well because I started receiving it.
So thank you so much. Like it feels like an honor to
Yeah,
hear this, and because you've come for the first day, let me tell you like what Soul's Temple is. Very simple.
it's
It's just
right.
the three statements that work. Whatever is the pain or discomfort that anybody is going through, you just have
Right,
to say if that pain is XYZ. XYZ is my soul's temple. My need for XYZ is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of XYZ is my soul's temple. Okay?
right.
So just three statements. And usually when I take demonstrations, I ask them, okay, how much is the pain on a scale of 0 to 10? And if they say for example, 7,
Yeah,
by the time we address the pain, three statements, from 7 it goes down to say 5. And then we say, okay, what does this pain make you feel? And then if
right,
the person says, oh, I'm feeling tired or I'm feeling exhausted or anything, then we address the feeling. This feeling is my soul's temple. My need for this feeling is my soul's temple. My resistance to let go of this feeling is my soul's temple. By the time
right.
again it comes further down. And then of course a little bit of more questioning and going deeper and continuing soul's temple until you feel completely
Light,
light. That's
right.
how Soul's Temple works. It's very simple, very powerful, very profound. And I mean, the people who have been there for a month and even before, I've been
Right.
facilitating Soul's Temple since 2014 approximately.
And I just came to know about you in just one day, and in one day, it just connected so much that I couldn't resist being around.
So thank you. Thank you for joining
Yeah.
in. And is there anything that you would like to address?
Like, I just want to go for my self healing because my entire family got COVID positive, my in laws and my husband. My
Okay.
husband was in a state where he got pneumonia 50 to 60% in his lungs.
Okay.
And he used to get fever for 5 days, shiver, cough. So it was not easy for
Nice.
me to see him in that state. And even I was COVID positive. It was my fifth day. So
Okay.
it's me who's been doing and getting everything done for my mother-in-law. She's asthmatic. So I tried the best doctors, get the best treatment, got a nurse, treated them at home. They're all better, recovering. But
Hmm.
I feel I just lost myself in all this process.
Right.
I neglected my body, myself, and so that's what I need to do. I need to have time for myself. I need to do self healing. Like I want to utilize this time now. They are recovering and on their own, so I just want I should utilize this time for myself and not just neglect my body and my mind and my soul. So since past 2 days, when she told me, you just give. It's just one thing within you. You just give and you don't receive. You don't acknowledge. So people start acknowledging me now. Like past 2 days, I feel dancing soul. Like, I feel good. I feel signs. And then you got connected. So things are getting magical for me. So
So
maybe, yeah.
great, Harveen. I sense a lot of ease and lightness in your voice, which is very nice. And this afternoon, 3 p.m. call, I haven't yet shared the recording. It's recorded and uploaded on YouTube and other things. I will be sharing the recordings after this call.
Yeah.
In that, we spoke about this, that are you asking for the peace in your environment at the cost of your own peace?
Yeah.
Okay. And then we did an array of affirmations towards the end of it. It's a brilliant call. I would recommend once I post it on the group.
Of course, I was waiting for that because when I shared something, she's like, you need to hear a morning call. I was like, where is it?
So yeah,
Yeah.
this is the 3 p.m. call, just before this call. Okay, today's.
Okay.
I actually, in all the calls, I write a title. So whichever title calls out to you, you can always listen.
Exactly.
Cool. And this particular thing definitely we have addressed just today. And so you should go and listen to the
I will.
3
I
p.m. call.
will.
Okay.
So basically, I just want that I should love myself. I've been loving everybody, giving. So I lost somebody. I lost my husband's bua, and she was one giver. So once she departed, I was very much connected to her. Baban Didi was very much connected to her. So probably she never got acknowledgement in her life until she passed away. So she told me, just don't be her. I sense you in her. So that's the time it just struck me. Yes, it's time for me to think for myself as well. It's not called selfishness. Just
Yeah.
you can love others as well and love yourself too.
It's like, oh my God, like the 3 p.m. call was all about all this. Like
Wow.
absolutely everything about all this.
I
So,
just can't wait to listen to it.
so you definitely must go there. And a couple of affirmations, I'm just reading it out because after I finish it, I wrote only a few of them for myself so that
Right.
I can do them. I mean, I didn't write the whole thing, but
Right.
few I'd written and I sent it to my daughter. It was like singing my song fearlessly is my soul's temple. Making my voice reach out appropriately to others is my soul's temple. Making my voice heard and acknowledged joyfully is my soul's temple. Safely inspiring and inviting others to contribute to my experience of fulfillment is my soul's temple. Easily and confidently fulfilling other people's needs is my soul's temple. Receiving and contributing with ease is my soul's temple. So this is just part of what we did. It was
Yes.
brilliant. It was beautiful. And after that, when I do these Soul's Temple affirmations with everybody here, and if something is going on in my universe, and then if I have to communicate something, and then when I start writing to other people that I'm communicating,
Right.
I realize that suddenly, oh my God, something has shifted. Now I'm able to talk more appropriately and even ask for what I require more appropriately. So it helps me as well. It helps everybody who is on board. And so I would like to ask you something different because you shared already that there were people who had COVID and pneumonia and bad infection, and then they came out of it.
Yeah. And I
Uh,
didn't even get myself CT scan, nothing. I'm
right.
just being on God's direction, no steroids, nothing, and I'm all good. Like
So,
people ask me, you don't have weakness. People have so much weakness. But it's like, no, I don't feel any. It's good.
so that is what I would like to explore because there's something nice about the way you're talking, which kind of inspires me to know more. I'm curious.
Sure, mom.
So tell me, if I ask you in a very, it's a way of NLP. It's called modeling excellence. Okay,
Right.
and the purpose of doing this with you right now today on the call, because this is again these calls go on YouTube. It will inspire many people that even though if they wouldn't have done Soul's Temple or not done any healing or anything, But there are other ways to deal with it, which you have already dealt with, and people are better in your reality, and you are fine.
Yeah.
Right? So that can also be an inspiration. So I have been asking questions around what else can I, display to the world apart from specifically healing with Souls Temple, where healing is a natural way of being.
Right.
And here you come with this conversation. I just acknowledge how beautifully the universe brings people together for something you will benefit, something I will benefit, something the whole world will benefit out of this.
To
Okay.
whatever highest contribution we can make, that's what we can
Yes.
do.
That's brilliant. So now first is there are in NLP, there are levels of influence. It's like a pyramid, and then it goes
Right.
like this. After the pyramid, it goes like this. So
Right.
the levels of influence below are the first layer is environment, and then I have it all on my I've done all these things a lot with people in my workshops, and in order to not say the wrong order, I'm just trying to see the real one.
There's something infectious in a energy. Like I'm just smiling. I'm with my earpods. I'm just smiling. I don't know. It's just contagious, and it's just around. I just
Yeah,
realized, like,
yeah, you've come here to contribute something. Let's go there. Wait. So the first layer is environment, second layer is behavior, third layer is capability, fourth layer is values and belief systems, fifth is identity, and then the pyramid closes, and then the
inverted.
it opens, and that is the purpose or the vision. Okay. So now I want to ask you, when all these people were sick, how was
Yes.
the environment like? I mean, don't look at it from a perspective of ये क्या सवाल है? Obviously अच्छा
No,
नहीं था.
no.
You know,
It was stressful. It was very stressful until things just went well, and I had and belief just stuck in, and I was like, he'll be fine, because I got so many messages, so different things. Like I was very scared, like he being on steroid and yet not uh recovering with fever. That night he had fever. One of my friends, I don't know, it's a soul connect with her. She was my client, and now she's the closest connect with her. She believes in energy called Guruji. A lot of people in Delhi know about him. So I'm also a very firm Guruji follower. So she sent me prasad for my husband that day, and that was a divine prasad. Guruji is no not anymore omnipresent. So it was
Naveen,
by
it's me. Me too. I'm also Guruji's devotee.
Jai Guruji, Jai Guruji.
Jai
I'm
Guruji.
sure it's something, it's a connect for you as well. I'm sure it's contributing to you too. So she sent me prasad, which came from Kuwait. From Kuwait, it came to Dubai, and it was by air. It came to her, and then she's like, I want to send it for your husband as well. I was like, yeah, can you please send me that? And it didn't work. And next day when he was ill and it just stuck, it's like, can you send me that prasad? So she sent, he had it. It was a very tiny dot, and he had the Amrit as well. Post that, he puked. And I just got scared. Why this? But then I had a belief, and he had a belief, because he's a Guruji follower too. He said, मैंने गुरुजी का प्रसाद खाया ना, मेरे अंदर जो था वो बाहर आ गया.
okay, perfect.
And then his bua went to this gurdwara at Seesgan Sahib. So I told her, can you just send me picture of the darshan? Can you send me darshan? And she just sent me a picture. There was this guy, only guy's back, and he just looked like my husband. So him, like same bandana styles, the same way he tie his headgear. So I was assured things will fall in place. Doctor told he's not able to take oral medications, and we need to give a better treatment. So next day we got a nurse. She's like, we'll give him IV treatment, because there is some force. It is your love or what? There is something with him, because whatever he's gone through, it is pneumonia until we get a CT report done. And his SpO2 levels were just fine. Imagine with that much. stuff in his right lobe, in his left lobe. It was affected all over the lungs. All 4 parts, they were affected when we got a CT report after 2 days. But his treatment started a day prior. So
And what were you doing all this while when all of this was happening internally and externally?
internally, I was listening to this uh, prayer, which I told I'll send it to you. The voice was so magical. It just made me cry, and it just made me believe in him. And I was supporting others as well. Like one of my friend's mother, she was hospitalized. The both daughters are unmarried. They don't have a dad. So I was even supporting her along. Even in such a state, I was just trying to push her. She'll be fine. To trust me, trust God. And I sent her that link too. So that was the link. That was the prayer which just kept me so much. My faith probably just pulled everybody out of this mess, because my father-in-law and mother-in-law were also like kids. Like they had no clue उनको कौन सी दवाई जा रही है, क्या हो रहा है. Till the time they feel better, it was just going like that with them.
Right.
And his mother just freaks out so much कि मुझे oxygen level क्यों कम हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, am I fine? It's like, don't worry, you'll be all good, you are perfect, you are healing on your own, everything is fine.
So that was your behavior in that time. And what do you know? What are your capabilities here which enable you to be this?
I don't know, Babban, it's like you acted as a mother for them, which you don't need to do that.
Okay, so you're basically your nurturing capacities in your
Yes, nurturing
ability
capacity.
to mother people, right? Nurture people.
Yeah, right.
What was important in all of this for you? What were your beliefs and values in this, which were in place all through and through?
I just had faith that there is this guiding force with me, and everything will be sorted, everything will be fine, we'll be fine. Was just kept that. And there was this blockage which I felt until that prashad came. I got connected to Babban Didi. She's like, can we do cleaning? And then I went to my house basement, and I just figured out the car park area was good, and there's a room underneath that as well. And it had so many spider webs, long spider webs. So it's all dusty. So I just cleaned all, and it felt like I'm just showing away the problems. Like I'm fighter. This cloth is a sword in my hand, and I just zigzagged, and I just did cleaning for one and a half hour. When I came back, I felt so good. And then there was this painting, there was this prism which we kept for Vastu. So I asked her, Ki, where should I keep? She's like, we kept it so that it could be of good, and it was supposed to be clean. So it's not contributing anyway, and I don't feel right. Just keep it outside your house. Just throw it away. And then I came back. She's like, what more contribution this place is asking? I came back. I saw the painting there, which was just lying out of nowhere. It was just dumb thing. We redid our house, and the painting went to basement. So I saw it, and I just picked it. And she's like, yes, that caught your attention. Dispose this as well.
Perfect. When you're being all of this, who are you?
I don't know.
If you didn't know that I don't know is an answer, what would you say? If you heard the same story about somebody else who has done all of this that you just said, what would you tell about them? Who are they?
Fighter.
Fighter. So that's your identity, that I'm a fighter and I can fight it all and like take a sword and clear it all.
Yeah,
Right?
that's exactly how I felt. Those
Okay.
webs and ASAP, I actually just shoot them away, get off, and my problems are ending. And I felt so light. I thought it's psychological, but no, it wasn't, because it was cleaning which I asked for from her. She made such a beautiful contribution, and since then the bond has grown so beautiful. Like every day I have to be with her. We are
Perfect.
texting. It's either 11:11 at night or 11:11 at the morning. So angels are guiding us as well, which
So
is very beautiful.
your faith in yourself, Baban, whatever she contributed, and the
Yes.
angels and your willingness to be that fighter that you are. Right?
Right.
And now the final question will be, what are you here for? What part of you is greater than you think it is?
My heart.
And what are you here for?
To fix my soul, to learn. I don't know. Like I had this, I have to fix myself. I need healing. So that was my prior thing. But now it just didn't pop with fix my soul. Heart was there. So this was like pre-session thing, which I just came for.
So two things.
And then somebody just texted. I saw her in yesterday Aditya's class as well.
Okay.
No. She was there with you. Maybe I on the YouTube call.
Maybe
The
on
one
the
which has a teddy bear.
Simran.
Arsadeep. Yeah.
Hi, this is Simran here.
Hi Simran.
Lots
Yeah.
of love to you and more power to you. Listening to
Thank
you.
you. Much love to you as well. Abundant
Yeah.
love.
Thank you
So,
so much.
you know what I got from this entire conversation, Harbeen, you're not here to actually, I mean, heal, of course, it will be healing when whatever we do. But you're more here to contribute than to fix yourself. You have this spirit in you, this magic in you that you're not looking for outside, but you're seeing it in everybody else, but you haven't yet acknowledged it about you.
Yes.
Right?
That's I was about to say maybe, and then it was again a resentment.
Yeah.
Right.
So that magic that you're seeing in everybody, whether it's Bandana or the Guru Granth Sahib words or the prayer or the prasad that your friends send, and the love that you have for your husband and for your family members, love that you have, gratitude that you have for Papan and whatever she has done, the gratitude.
Infinite for you too. Like I've been just smiling at this, such a beautiful energy. I don't know, I feel so good. I've never felt this good in past, like from past 2 days. I'm very contented, very happy. I feel a beautiful connect. But this is also so amazing, like I'm in my own zone smiling, and it's such a beautiful thing.
Yeah, and your voice, your energy, I'm yet to see your face, but it's so contributing.
Thank you.
And I would just say continue to be the potent being that you are and the magical being that you are. And more than you being here to receive anything from you, I think I'm receiving from you the magic that you be. And I think
I acknowledge that. I'll take it. Before else, I would have been just resisting. When Baban Didi also sometimes say, "You contribute. You just got me." No, I was like, "No, I cannot do anything." She's like, "No, just start acknowledging yourself. Why can't you?" It's like, because you are a healer. You are the one healed me. Like we got connected 2014, 15. She did stuff for me. Yeah.
so, yeah, that part of you, which is, what is your biggest asset in this moment that I see is your ability to receive from everything.
Yeah. I got open to
Everyone.
receiving. Yeah.
From Baban, from me, from the Souls Temple, from the YouTube video, from the prayer, from the prasad, from the Guruji, from your family members, from even cleaning simply the, spider webs.
Right.
Everything, every action, every behavior of yours, everything that you're doing it out of love and faith, surrender and gratitude.
Yes, that's what I wrote to her. That now I have surrendered. Let his plans be the best. Whatever universe plan is, I just receive it with open arms. There was a time when I used to be a person. I see such a major shift in me. There used to be times when things never used to go my way. I used to get so angry. ऐसे नहीं हुआ. My mind was programmed. मुझे ऐसे चाहिए था. ऐसे होना चाहिए था. Now I say, इसमें भी कुछ अच्छा होगा. That's the shift I've experienced in my life. And that's what I tell my husband. Now you've recovered. God has given you a beautiful chance. Everything is fine. Just let go stuff in you, because And I made him hear your yesterday's YouTube thing when you said keep either it's out of lack of forgiveness or the bond with the mother.
Yeah.
So it's like, this is just for you. There's so much lack of forgiveness. And I was like, are you willing to let it go? Are you willing to receive magic? And he's like, how do you learn that? I don't know. I'm just saying, maybe it works for you. And then he's like, हाँ मुझे ऐसे light लग रहा है, it feels good. So I saw different change. Like he never used to smile and stuff. Today he played a video where it said, अगर स्वस्थ रहना है तो हंसो, अगर immune system को अच्छा रखना है तो हंसो. And he's a multiple sclerosis patient, so means it's all the immune system which is pushing it out for him.
Right. So one more thing, thanks for sharing this, because since yesterday I've been asking that whole, the energy, these are channeled words, right? That protect, conceal, nourish, nurture, and heal.
Yeah.
It came in my shamanic journey. I've never learned it from anywhere. And I was also kind of a little bit skeptical about how much is this going to help, God knows. Right?
I know you just went back and searched, are these words anywhere?
Yes.
That was self-doubt. So I was like, if she can have self-doubt, I can too.
All
right?
of us have it.
and then the very moment I was like, I release all the self-doubt in me and accept magic in my life. I am open to acknowledgements and receiving, and you won't believe, it just started pouring right from my driver to my father-in-law to from my husband. Like I just started receiving because I resented receiving in my life. I didn't get it, and that was the thing which just hurted me more.
Yeah.
I give and nobody acknowledges it. All I ask for is कि यार हाँ समझो कि हंसने हमारे लिए किया.
And this is exactly what we spoke in the 3 o'clock call. That acknowledgement and being heard and being received is so important for each one of us who are very caring and giving and want to, be there for people and all of that.
And you won't believe, once everybody started recovering, I've opened an Instagram page and handle because I actually had a lot of difficulties in arranging medicines and injections.
Yeah.
So this was the time when I wanted to help others with ICU beds or oxygen refill places or whatever, or free medicines. If they cannot get, I can arrange and send it across for them. So I felt good. I was like God has blessed me and cured everybody. So it's my time to give back and help people in whatever contribution I can make to their lives. And I'm so happy now. There are very less queries out there, which means world is healing.
Things are getting
people.
better.
Yeah,
Definitely.
I feel so good that way कि अच्छा है. My husband asked me, he's like, पेज पे आजकल एक्टिव नहीं है, तो मैंने बोला 2 दिन से कोई क्वेरी नहीं है, and it's a beautiful thing. I don't want queries there.
Correct. Absolutely. And that's the beauty, of your intention and the purity of intention. You're not thinking only about yourself. You're thinking about everybody around. And even in the crisis situation, you're willing to help other people who are in crisis. Then you opened a page, and even if the page is not working, you're thinking about that also in a way that, yeah, fine, if there are no queries, it's good. That means it's changing.
Right.
This is the beauty of your intention and your actions both. It's not just intention and no actions, it's intentions and actions, which is brilliant.
And now I was just longing to do one thing. I was speaking to somebody who has a place in Solan, and I was like, now I need time for my body to relax and nature. Like nature heals me a lot. I connect a lot with nature. And that place, the DP also is from the very place. It's so windy there, and the clouds and mountains just touch each other, and it heals so much. Like I was there post pandemic, and the place connected so well to me that's the place I'm longing in to go for. And I asked Baban Didi, she's like, just if it's for your contribution, it will, else they are nature to yahan pe bhi hai. Why do you think you have to go all the way there?
Right.
Like there's this magnetic pull which with the sounds of nature, getting up at early in the morning, and it's a music to my ears. I don't know, just small things matter a lot to me.
Absolutely, they do. I trust that when you go into nature, in these places which are like naturally beautiful, it enriches your soul. Like it is
Yeah,
beautiful. It is very enriching, and it's like for me, it is like
it's a magic
it's a
to
spa.
to
It is
describe. Yeah,
everything.
it's a happy vibe for me. It's a very very happy vibe. I don't know. I connected to that place so much because it's just a village, not no commercialization, just 50, 60 people around, and that's a beautiful place. Like you feel so connected. I've never been connected to a place like that. It's magical.
Yeah, and that's the conversation I had, I think, in the morning call about the place like that. Okay, where I have been there for 15 days, only 16 houses and 75 people. So I was talking about that
Yes,
in the morning.
exactly. There are 16 houses, and the local population is 100, including the hotel staff.
Yeah, and where I was talking, there's no hotel also.
Okay. This place also is owned by a friend of mine because it's for desolated.
Yeah,
So their mother was from Himachal, so they thought of getting a property made and getting income out of it.
yeah,
So that's why I just connect to that place, and I was like, maybe God's plan, if it's supposed to be, it will.
totally. It would.
And I just want to work one thing on myself about is like I'm people who are very close to me when they hurt me, I just want to detach myself. Like I don't want to get hurt. I don't know.
Cool. So, do you want to be my demo? Because you've contributed so much to everyone.
Of course.
I would like to take it forward. Okay, cool. So, on a scale of 0 to 10, when you say people hurt me and I detach from them in order to not get hurt, when was the first time you got hurt so badly that you decided this?
When I lost my mom when I was just 7 years old.
Wow. Okay. No
And then
wonder.
it just increased so much because I had a stepmom who just never understood what love feels like, what giving feels like, and she just hated me. I don't know for what. So I don't know. She expired this 17th, and I know she like my bond with my father because I was the only child. So I don't know, I was not able to forgive her. I always wished good for her, but I somewhere felt like she ruined my childhood, which could be very beautiful.
Hmm.
Right. So she had COVID, she expired on 17th. She
Okay.
was perfect. Instantly her O2 level started falling. Her she was positive. The labs gave report negative. So
Hmm.
doctor didn't give the COVID medication for her.
Hmm.
He thought it's just a normal viral. And
Hmm.
when she expired, and I just asked God, may make her soul rest in peace, and may she be a wiser person. And I just let go all the grudges. And I was sitting in a gurdwara for her part,
Hmm.
and very something happened which I never felt.
Hmm.
I felt there is a lock in my heart, and opened the key and released everything. I could feel something going out of it.
It's very much possible. I hear you, and I acknowledge that I've experienced such things in temples when I have been sitting in temples and whatever, and even in Gurudwara actually, in Bombay,
So
in a
yeah, it
Gurudwara.
just came out of my heart.
So
Like there was this lock, there was this baggage which I tried forgiving, but something was left. So I just wanted to, I actually asked God, Babaji, please, I forgive her. There are no hard feelings. I wish the best for her. And suddenly this heart lock opened, and it just went off.
cool. So now I want you to connect to the 7-year-old Harveen whose mother died.
Right,
Okay. And
right.
when you connect to her right now, just describe what's going on, like what's happening in the environment.
She's just alone. She's protected by her granny, the person who loved her unconditionally, selflessly. And there are a lot of thought process going on in her head, where she finds her mother in the stars
Hmm.
and tries to connect with her,
Hmm.
feeling she's around.
Hmm.
But there's no love. There's
Mm.
just grandmother who's trying to fill the love in her heart and spread the light.
Mm. This is about, you're telling about the soul, right?
The 7-year-old me. I just closed my eyes and
And
felt
you're
what.
seeing, sensing
Yeah,
this. Okay.
yeah, right.
I want you to connect to the child in you. And uh, apart from the stars and the magic and everything, what did this child feel that something very huge is gone away?
The child feels desolated. The
Yeah.
child feels void.
That is
There's
where, yeah.
yeah.
Now connect to this child, that desolated and void feeling, and connect to your body and tell me, where is it in the body, this feeling?
In the womb.
Perfect. Oh my God, like I'm just amazed at the synchronicity of things.
And I have not conceived in 8 years of my marriage.
Oh wow. Okay.
And that's what I told Babandi. Maybe I just feared she when I released that hard thing happened. So I just realized I just didn't want my child to go through all that crap which I've been through. So it was my resentment for that.
I
Like
get
I
it.
was the block. I don't know how to put it in words.
It's okay.
Exact.
It's
Yeah.
fine. You know what? Just let's do it. And I would recommend you later on connect to me. I'll send you the womb healing that we did the other day. It's
Yes.
not there on public forum.
I
I've kept
know.
it
I
personal.
asked her. She's
Yeah.
like, womb healing. She told me, and then she told me, for whom she did. I was like, no. She's like, she did it for me. Oh my God, the dots are connecting so well. I have no clue. She told me just because it has to come here.
Yeah. So it has to come to you.
Yes.
I just connect to me personally. I'll send it. Before that, right now, uh, we have like 15 minutes. Let's do this.
Sure.
So connect to the womb, this desolated and void feeling that the 7-year-old child felt because the mother is dead now, and a very big part of you is gone. And tell me, how does this look like inside the womb, the desolated and void feeling?
There's a pale thing inside,
Okay,
whitish,
okay.
and it's just not. How do I say? Not nurtured. Mm,
Hmm.
it's just like a white pale thing, not so beautiful looking like stuff.
Hmm. So not so beautiful, white, pale thing. What is the texture? Solid, liquid, like smoky? Um, what is it?
It's kind of slimy.
Slimy. Okay. So just say this slimy, white, pale uh, thing in my womb is my soul's temple 11 times.
Can you please repeat? I just couldn't get it. So
This
sorry.
slimy, white,
White
pale
pale.
thing in my womb is my soul's temple.
This time, white pale thing. It's my soul's temple.
You can say it in your mind also 11 times. Okay. The slimy, white, pale thing in my womb is my soul's temple. And as you're saying, keep noticing what's happening to that.
It just changed the color to blue, like a sea wave.
Hmm. So this blue sea wave is my soul's temple.
I have to repeat it 11 times.
Yes.
Done.
Yeah, now what's happening?
Now the picture we have of heart, like the red color which we usually see in the emojis as well. So now it's replaced with that.
Okay. So this red color heart is my soul stem.
Now I feel there's a path, like a path which we see in garden, and then there are flowers by both the sides.
A path, right?
Right. A path, like there's a path which is in parks or maybe in the
Right.
forest, and they both sides it's a plantation and flowers. So I
Perfect.
see flowers around. Yeah.
So what will you call that path?
A new journey.
Okay. Uh, this path with flowers on either sides and a new journey is my soul stem.
Done.
Yeah, now what's happening?
I didn't see anything.
Perfect. Now go back to the 7-year-old kid. The mother died. Same situation. Now what's happening?
The child is smiling. I see a smile on the child's face.
Yeah. Ask her, what does she require?
Happiness.
Okay. And tell her how define happiness. What is happiness for you?
I don't get an answer. I just see some ribbons held in her hand and just they're going away in the sky.
Okay. So these ribbons are going away in the sky, right?
Like balloons. Oh, sorry,
Ha,
not
like
ribbons.
something is going away. Fine.
Yeah.
So let her hand be the same way. And now you go hold, like for example, if her hands are here, you go and keep your hands beneath her hands like this in your imagination. Okay,
Right.
hold her hands and then connect to the divine that you are so strongly connected to. And say that replace whatever left with something beautiful and positive. Please send me that. Ask your divine to gift you that positive replacement for all that you have left just now. And then when something comes, let me know what came.
It just came Shukrana Guruji.
Okay. And then ask the child, what does this mean for her?
That I'm not alone.
Cool. Tell her to embrace this and then ask her how is she feeling now after embracing this energy of Shukrana Guruji.
The child hugged me back. I don't know why I opened my arms much before and I just felt a hug in me.
Yeah, so now when she's hugging you,
And it was just, the child was just exactly till my womb, the exact height of the child.
yeah, and you have to integrate that energy back into you. But before you integrate, say, I see you.
See,
I, s- I see the mother in you.
the mother in me.
I acknowledge the mother in you. I know there was a higher purpose in losing the mother and not being the mother now. Until now. I thank you for playing your part beautifully and brilliantly. You are
I
not,
just kissed the child's forehead. I don't know.
yes, say, continue saying, you are not alone.
You're not alone.
I love you just the way you are. I am a part of you. You're a part of me. Let's happily heal and integrate with each other and just take that energy back into you.
We both smiled, and the child smiled like it was a beautiful grin. And I just see the child, which how I used to be with two plaits on the side. It was just the same child with blue ribbons. Oh God, what was it? It was magic.
Okay,
What did
now,
you do, Bandana?
now connect to your womb again. After taking this energy inside, now connect back to your womb space. And what do you see there?
A pink light.
And what does a pink light feel like for you?
It's divine.
Okay. So just say, I welcome this divine. Um, what do you want to put? Divine dash.
Can I just say something?
Yeah.
The light feels like something which a video I sent to Baban Didi in the morning, which was of Kailash Mansarovar. And Mansarovar is all about that money light. And the
Okay.
light felt exactly the same way with what I saw in the morning.
Okay. So what is that? Like it is divine. You said divine dash. If I have
Yes,
to say divine, what?
it's a divine light. It's a divine feeling.
Okay.
It's
So
it's a divine emotion. I don't
yeah.
know.
So say this divine light in my womb is my soul's temple. 11 times. This gift of divine light in my womb is my soul's temple.
While I just did that, while I was doing it, I just had thought of Baban Didi once. I don't know.
That's fine. It's okay. And
Yeah. There was this connection. I don't know. Maybe it was divine light, gratitude. I don't
yeah,
know.
sure. It could be gratitude because she's led you through this path, which is great.
Right.
Now, one last thing. Think of that thing that, oh, if somebody hurts me, I want to just detach. Now think of that latest incident. Now, how do you feel about it?
I, Forgiveness came out of my heart.
Yeah.
The detachment replaced with forgiveness.
Okay, cool. Now look at your stepmother in your imagination. And tell her, I, Harveen, forgive you, whatever is her name. Okay? I, Harvin, forgive you, dash. Dash, you please forgive me and release me. And then say, love, thanks, divine, light, change. One more time. I, Harveen, forgive you, dash. You please forgive me and release me. Love, thanks, divine, light, change. And then one more time. I, Harveen, forgive you, dash. Dash, you please forgive me and release me. Love, thanks, divine, light, change. and tell her to take all that, her energy which is inside of you, back to herself. You take back your authentic energies and let her go to wherever she belongs to. Ask the angels to guide her to her light.
When I asked angels to guide her to light, I saw Angad's Bua who just expired, who I told you about. I don't know. I saw her face when I just asked angels to guide her. I saw her face. So
Yeah.
probably that's one of the messages we were getting, that she's turned into an angel. And I was like, she's a guardian angel now. She's turned a guardian angel.
It's very much possible. If they've showed up, they've showed up. That's all. So now, with all of this done, wow. How are you
I don't know.
feeling?
I'm just seeing you and smiling. This is such a beautiful, beautiful shift which I feel. It's beautiful. It's magical. I asked for magic and I'm getting magic.
Because you were very much open to receive. This can be a very long, complicated process, but because you were so ready and you were
Yes.
so open to receive, it was just possible so effortlessly. Healing can be so effortless when we are open to receive. When we don't use too much of our brains, and when we are so much in surrender and faith that, yeah, I know everything is taken care of. And it
Yes.
doesn't matter who is the messenger, whether it's a Guruji or a Bandana or a Baban or Harvi or anybody. The
Even when I
message,
was talking to, sorry to interrupt you, when I was asking her to take back the energies, even she just smiled and said, and she just said, Chal ja. I could feel that thing. Maybe it's my mind or what, but I felt she said, Chal ja.
yeah, it's fine. You don't need to doubt it. Okay.
Yeah, no self doubts.
Trust that it has come to go. That's all, and it's gone.
It is. It's gone.
Yeah, that's about it. And it's
And
absolute.
always felt that it's she who was doing the blockage for me. And then people used to be like, nobody can block your blessings until you do it.
And it could be her that she was blocking, but now that she's gone, you just don't need to put energy into that anymore.
No, I just spoke to my dad before this call, and I was like, okay, bye, I have a session. So, and I just took a screenshot. Like, I got a notification which said Guruji Ashram is live, and they do the mantra jap thing, and which is my daily routine, and
Right.
was just right above your picture. So, so the divine energy got me through you. And you know what? Before the session, I was like, I don't know anything about it. I don't know what exactly it is. How will I talk? What will I say? And I'm just a new student, and Babandi told me she's doing just till 21st. So I'm sure everybody's connected since long. And I had no clue that it was just me the entire session who just spoke.
So this is divine grace. When we are willing to receive, it comes to us just like that,
Yes.
so effortlessly. You don't have to know anything. You don't have
Infinite gratitude to you as well, and everybody who was there. So gratitude to all and love to all.
And gratitude to you for being the contribution on this call. And I'm sure this call is going to give a message across to the world, whoever looks at this YouTube, is that it is not about who's the facilitator and who's come for the first time or who's there for 20 days or any of that. It's about the level of surrender, faith, humility, gratitude, and desire to contribute, the desire to heal, which
Thank you, Simran.
is so beautifully visible in your form today. I'm just absolutely in awe of whatever. Would you like to show your face?
I will tomorrow for sure. I was just about to go for a shower and I didn't go, and I came because it was 6.
But I think
I'll be honest
we
with
would
you.
like to see your ugly face.
Yes, I agree, because that's what how God has made us. We just try
Yeah,
and
I mean, see, look at me. Do you think I'm dressed up for this? Like,
wait. I'll just do it. I never had the courage for FaceTimes in my life. I've never done that except with my mom or my husband, but I'll just do it.
is now the time to show your face to the world.
Never been like that, honestly. Not even I step out in my balcony because I believe I should be perfectly dressed or something like. I'll just do. Hi, Vandana.
Look
Hi,
at you.
everybody.
You're so good looking.
No,
You don't
Thank
have to
you.
be any more perfect than this.
thank you. You just got this smile on my face throughout. Like I'm just grinning and grinning and grinning. Like it feels when you're in love, you just look at the phone and like teenage love होता है ना वो just तुम हंसते रहते हो, smile करते रहते हो, message पढ़ के. Exactly, that's how it was.
Chalo, ठीक है, you can become my teenage lover.
For sure.
I've also been asking, यार किसी को तो भेज दो.
Totally. I'm so glad I could spread smiles. I see Simran and I see you smiling. I don't know, everybody. Like everybody just show up if you enjoyed the session. I would love to see you all. You all are beautiful the way you are. You don't need to
There
get
she
dressed.
goes. Now that she's come on video, she wants to see
She
everyone.
wants to get
Yeah.
everyone. So this is the spirit, right? That
This
power
is her
that she
magic.
has.
See, yeah, that's what I was about to say. See the magic. She just, wants everyone to be on video now.
If you can
Thank
spot
you
it,
so
you
much.
have got it, and just let it spread. Let it just, this morning call we were doing this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine.
Yeah.
It's
Thank you.
a small, song
And
phrase.
Harleen, my name is also Harveen Walia. When I saw you, Harleen Walia, I was like, there is some connect for
I
sure
think
in
that
that.
is also a part of the magic
Yes, it is. It is.
that we're all willing to do.
And I took a screenshot that I found somebody who was Harleen and I'm Harveen, and it is the same. I just downloaded Zoom this morning, and I was about to write Harveen Walia, and I don't know why did I write Harveen Kaur, because that's exactly where everywhere it is. It's there everywhere.
So cool. So thank you, Harveen, for joining us today
Thank
and
you so much.
being such a
Thank you
beautiful
for all the
contribution.
contribution. Thank you. Much love. May you keep spreading smiles just like that and keep
And
healing
Harveen,
people.
we'll look forward to have you on more sessions as well.
Of course, I'll be there. I'll be around every day.
And I want you to share that prayer with all of us. I will share
I
it.
will. I will. I'll just share
Yeah,
it with you.
please
You
do.
are the admin. You will share it.
I will share
The
it.
voice, it's so beautiful. It just gave me strength, and I passed it to so many people, and everybody loved it.
Yeah, I'm sure. I totally trust in all of these, these religious tunes and music and bhajans
Right.
and everything. They have tremendous power. And
And
when,
it
when
there is
nothing works, these are the things that keep us just held in.
exactly. That's
In
what
that.
held me throughout.
Yeah.
I was very shattered. This entire process didn't shatter me much as much losing his Bua did. Because she was one beautiful soul and always a giver, always giving motherly love. And she's done everything for everyone. And it was the most shattering process. And this healed me a lot. And then I started to accept receiving. So it's her gift, which I think it's her gift, which made me acknowledge to receive.
Yeah, and basically, see, they never go anywhere. Their blessings are
Yeah.
always with us.
And that's what Babandi also saw. She asked Babaji, is she happy? And then she said, got a hukumnama, which I got today, Bandana, her Bandana. I'll send you that. It's written in Hindi as well. I don't know how to read Punjabi though. And it said that. So for her also, it was like, I'm free from reincarnations. I am with God. He loves me. He nurtures me. So we got a message. She's in a very happy place for all the good deeds she did. God just released her from suffering because she didn't wanted to have that oxygen mask. She once said,
Absolutely. It's
she
a
once said,
choice. Yeah.
yeah, she made a choice. She's like, I don't mind dying, but I just don't want this oxygen mask. And then everybody tried to pacify her and made her do it. But she made a choice. She didn't want suffering.
Absolutely. And it's brilliant. It's a beautiful choice.
Yeah.
And there's nothing right or wrong about dying as long as you're dying joyfully and you're living joyfully.
Exactly.
It's just
That's what I
that.
learned. YOLO. You only live once.
Yes.
Somebody taught me that like 3 days back. It's like, what's YOLO? It's like you only live once. Yeah, yes. So it's
Yes.
time to live for self.
Absolutely.
And within the call, the person I was asking for detachment just called in between. I just disconnected, and I'll talk to her.
So yeah, it's now that is also going to shift.
Exactly.
No need to get attached, no need to get detached. It's absolutely
Yes.
perfect.
Yes.
ठीक
And
है?
even my husband was like, "तू नहीं कर पाएगी ये." Like मैंने कहा मुझे ना detachment पूछना है कैसे होती है. He's like, "That's not your nature. You won't be able to do it." I
You don't
assure.
need to do it. Trust me.
Yeah.
I don't know
So-
how to detach and all. I'm attached to everybody.
That's the most beautiful thing. Yeah.
And it's
That's why you're such an amazing soul. The vibes are so infectious. Like tab se I'm smiling. Since the call started and since it's about to end, too much love to you.
thank you. See you all.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Vandana
See
Di,
you.
1 second. When you were talking about angels, you know what I was doing here?
Hmm.
I want to show this to Harveen.
Yeah.
Sure, please
Just
do.
doing what I was doing. I was just burning my candles for my angel.
Oh
I
wow.
haven't-
Oh wow.
And exactly at that time you were talking about angels. And what a coincidence. So I said I
There is
have
no
to show this.
coincidence in the universe, by the way.
Yes. No self doubts from now. I release
Absolutely.
all the
Yeah.
self doubts.
So Harveen,
Cool.
that was for you.
Thank you so much, Simran. You be blessed.
And
Always in
you know what,
abundance.
Harveen, you got Simran on video today.
Yeah. Is it?
she
The
never
end.
comes.
I know. I saw that teddy bear on her back, and I don't know. I could just connect with her the other day, and I was thinking maybe she was in another Google Meet or some group.
I was just waiting. दी ने अब तक बोला क्यों नहीं कि अभी
All
से
like she may have been from the first day of Soul's Temple, but she's never shown her face. She's shown it today.
Oh wow!
So see the power of you coming on video.
And she's so pretty. Her smile is so
Thank
amazing.
you.
She's very pretty.
Thanks.
Cool.
Perfect. Now I'll have my shower sessions.
Vandana Di is so infectious. वो मतलब
Yes,
हंसता
she
ही देखो
is.
पूरा
She
sword.
is.
Yeah.
She is so infectious. Like मुझे लगा कोई serious सा session होगा, कुछ होगा. Wow, what will I
नहीं
say?
मैं
What
तो
will I talk?
I'm there on her calls even in the morning. शाम के मैं शायद मिस भी करती हूँ लेकिन morning 6:30 वाला call तो she has pushed me to given me a very good routine. I get up early because of her. I give the entire
Wow.
credit to her.
And
So
I give the
morning से
credit to
हम
you all.
लोग so morning से I'll keep laughing दीदी कितना हंसाती है मतलब it's so much of fun. So it's really nice. I'm loving it.
These are the connects, and she's a godsend angel. That's all. That's all I can say.
Cool.
Love you all.
guys.
Love
Chalo.
you. Bye-bye. Thank
Harveen,
you.
ask
Hanji.
me what an angel she has been to me.
I am
She
sure.
has
I am
shifted
sure.
my life so much. She has shifted it so much.
I can see that contentment on your face. It's so amazing.
Yeah.
आप आपके चेहरे पे जो नूर है, that's very different.
It's been a month since I've been with her, and it's just more than a month, but it's been just amazing.
Thank you, Bandana. You've been contributing to everybody's life.
Vandana, thank you
You
so
are an
much.
angel.
So
Thank
much
you.
love
Love
to
you.
Thank you.
Love
you
you.
so much. Love you too. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Sorry, not
Sure.
tomorrow, Monday.
Okay,
Now Monday.
perfect.
Sunday is a break day. Cool.
Perfect. I'll miss you tomorrow then.
Yeah, I'll see you all on Monday. Bye.
Perfect.
Take care
Thank
of
you.
yourself,
Thank
Vandana.
you. Bye-bye.
Take care.
Take
Bye-bye.
care, everybody. Bye.
Yeah, everyone take care.